helping people. It's what gives life meaning. There's no limit to what you can do to make someone's life better. Sarnia Lambton is my home. I've lived here my whole life. My belief is that if we aren't doing everything in our power to help our clients buy or sell, then we are letting them down. I felt there had to be a better way than status quo, and there was, which is why we use in-house marketing to deliver professional photography and video on the top social media platforms, in combination with traditional marketing platforms like radio and print.
Working harder for our clients is something we feel sets us apart. Your choice of a realtor impacts your whole life.
Choose wisely.
You are not just a sale. You are not just a number. You deserve a team who will provide you with the best quality of service because you are worth the effort.
And so is our community.
Which is why we've partnered with St. Joseph's Hospice in Sarnia, donating a portion of our sales to help with their endeavors. From our team to yours, thank you. And it's time to come home to the Blue Coast.